my name is Beth Corrigan and I am a GA for Introduction to Ed 2010, and I have prepared this video to help you on your discernment paper and especially the APA citations with your cover page and running head. So I brought up a paper that I did recently for one of my graduate classes, but it still gives you a model to base yours off of. First off, you will see that we have the center of the page, which is basically your title. So I have my title here, What is Research in the Post-Positivist Perspective? You'll have your own personal title, but your title should go in the middle of your cover page, followed by your name, then Bowling Green State University. Now, BGSU is not correct. I would spell out Bowling Green State University. APA, then for the course number, doesn't encourage you to do so because usually APA things are published on a national scale. But because this is for a class and it would probably help your GA, I would list not only EDTL 2010, but also your section number afterwards. That will just help us keep all of our papers straight. So this would be the normal cover page. And notice it's separate, so there's nothing else on it, no rubric, no nothing, it is sitting by itself. I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Up here we have the running head. So the running head is basically going to be showing up on every single one of your pages of a shorter version of your title. Your title shouldn't be more than 12 words anyways, this title down here. And so this is even more of a shorter version of your title. So the running head is even shorter than your real one, and so you can kind of see what I did. I just took post-positivist research and put it as my running head. Now notice running head, the R is capitalized, the H is not. Lots of you get this confused or you capitalize the whole thing, running head. This would be the proper way to do it in APA format. If I come down here, you can see on my second page that I do not have the running head listed. And I'll show you how to do that here in a moment. Finally, in APA, there's always a page number here in the corner. I know a lot of you have been having problems of finding out how to put it over there, and I'll show it to you of how to do it in this Microsoft Word. So if I flip over here, let's just say I wrote my whole paper, here it is, and now it's time to do my cover page. So basically I'm going to type in the information that I showed you in the previous one. So first, my title. If I could spell. Okay, there's my title. Underneath, I'm going to have my name. And I'll show you how to format this in a second. I'm just getting the information down. Bowling Green State University. And then for your sake, I'm just going to show you how to do for our class EDTL 2010, and I'm in section 1003. Okay, so this is my information that's going to go on my cover page. I need to separate it from all my text here. So in Word, I'm going to go up to Insert and then a page break because I want to separate the cover page from the rest of my paper. There it is. So that's going on my second page, and you can see the stuff I just typed is on my first page. Now I need to double space. Everything in APA is always double spaced, including your cover page. So I'm going to highlight this, go to the Home button, and then this fun little arrows. If you leave your cursor there, it's kind of a cool tool. It will tell you what it will help you with when you click on that button. So I'm going to click on it and go to 2.0 or 2 spaces or double spacing. So there's that. Next, I'm going to center it. So still in the paragraph little box, center it. Now I need it to be further down my page. So I'm just going to enter it down to about halfway down my page. And there's my first part of my cover page. Awesome. Now I have to add the running head. So I'm going to insert the running head. So I go up here to Insert, Header, and you're going to see a variety of options come up. APA doesn't like the flourishy ones down here. Don't use those. Just go with the regular blank one that we can type in. So I'm going to just click there, and notice that it says type text. So I'm going to type the running head title of my paper. And remember, it's a shorter version of your actual title. So I'm going to just type in what I want my running head to be, and notice it's in all capital letters. There it is. Now, because this is my cover page, it's going to be different than my next pages. So there's this little box up here that says different first page. I currently have it clicked. Now if I scroll down here, you can see that I can type in my title on all the other pages, and it will copy it in all the other pages. But up here it says first page header, down here it just says header. So if I unclick this, you can see that my headers will all be the same. Header, header. If I click it again, now it will say header down here and first page header up here. This is where I'm going to put the title. Oops. Let's turn off cap locks. Running head. Notice that I did not capitalize all the letters, I only capitalized the running part. Now I'm going to just, for simplicity's sake, copy my title from there, scroll down to my second page, and paste it here. So now I have a header on my second page without running head, and on my first page it says running head. Next, still in this header format, I'm going to insert a page number. And the page number in APA is always on the far right hand side. So to get my cursor over there, all I did was tab, just hit tab once, and then there my cursor is on the far right hand side. I'm still going to go up here to page number, and notice there's lots of options, kind of like when you created your header. There's top of page, bottom of the page, page margin. I'm going to use current position because I want the number to go right where my cursor is, on the right hand side of the page. So I'm going to click this one, and notice there's the number 1. Now if I come down here to second page, because this header is different, it doesn't copy it. So I'm going to do the same thing, and you can watch me. Tab over, go into page number, I want it in the current position. There it is. It automatically changed it to 2. Word knew that it was on the second page. There we go. So now that my entire running head is correct, all of this is correct, I'm just going to hit close header, and we're going to see what it looks like. I got my running head, got my page number, got my cover page coming down here. Yep, there's my header and my page number again. Please watch my next few videos about how to do hanging indents in your reference page.